Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be going over rules of roots for review for Math 1441. We'll start with 6 rules and 1 example for each. Our first rule is the product rule, and if we have the cth root of A times the cth root of B, then we'll get the cth root of A times B. As an example, if we have the cube root of 7 times the cube root of 8, we'll get the cube root of 56. Our next is the quotient rule. If we have the cth root of A divided by the cth root of B, we can combine these to get the cth root of A over B. As an example, if we have the 4th root of 5 over the 4th root of 6, we'll get the 4th root of 5/6. Now with the product and the quotient rules, a way to remember this is the root, or the cth root, kind of engulfs the terms and brings both of them inside. Our next rule is the exponent rule for roots. If we have the cth root of A to the B power, and we're raising this to the D over E power, then this becomes the E times cth root of A to the B times D power. And another way to remember this is, remember, we can rewrite roots. Since this is the cth root of AB, this becomes A to the B over C, and we're raising this entire thing to the D over E. And when we have an exponent raised to an exponent, we multiply across the top and across the bottom. So this becomes A to the BD over CE, and then we rewrite it as the CEth root of A to the BD. One example of this is if we have the square root of 6 cubed, and we raise this to the -1/2, we use our formula, and this becomes the -4th root of 6 cubed. And if we want to rewrite this, remember, this just becomes 6 to the -3/4 power. Our 4th rule is when we have a number outside and we'd like to bring it inside. Say we have the number B times the cth root of A. We want to bring this number inside, so to compensate, we have the cth root of A times B to that power. And this makes sense because if we rewrite this, this becomes the cth root of A times B to the C over C power. C over C cancels, and we're left with B. So this makes sense. As an example, if we have 6 times the cube root of 2, we can rewrite this as the cube root of 2 times 6 cubed. And 6 cubed is 216, so this is the cube root of 512. Finally, our last rule is solving for roots, and this is specifically roots of even powers. If we have x equals a squared, and we want to solve for x just in terms of a, then a will be the plus minus root of x. The reason is, when we take the square root from both sides, we'll get that a equals the square root of x. When we work backwards, we get a squared equals x. This is true, but we also know that another solution is negative a times negative a also gives us x. So we need to include both positive a and negative a. If we look at an example, if we have x equals 7 squared, then 7 should equal the plus or minus square root of x. And that's about it for rules of roots. Thank you for watching.